If you have trouble with the AirPods Pro 2s falling out of your ears, out of a ear, like I do, I have 3 potential options for you, and I tried them all. I bought these my own expense just to give it a try. They're cheap though. Each one is they're between $15 and $20. First was memory foam tips. Some people love these. I did not. I found, because what happens with the memory foam tips, you squeeze them before you put them in your ear. They then expand in your ear canal and supposedly hold it in tighter. I found that it did the opposite for me. It kind of pushed them out. Something about the shape of my ear canals or whatever. Who knows? I'm weird. The second option were these by a company I have no idea how to pronounce. It's either A or GCIOII. Anyway, these have a hook, a loop that you put over your ear with a part down here that holds the stem of the AirPods. Those were okay, but I felt that the hook's actually pulling the AirPod up and pulling them in the wrong direction to really fit properly. The third option, made by the same company as the second one, is this little hook that goes inside your ear. You can see on mine because I'm wearing them now. And I find that these work perfectly. It has the best fit that I've experienced with the AirPods. It works perfectly, and they only cost about $15, $14.95. So it's a very inexpensive option. You can get it from the description below. I have the Amazon links to them. Thanks, and keep watching. We'll have a video coming up on a review of some over-the-counter hearing aids that are very affordable, and I'm looking at those as a potential option for balancing out the AirPods. I mentioned in a previous video that the AirPods by themselves may not give you the final solution, so you may want to use the AirPods along with a pair of more conventional hearing aids. Thank you very much.